Yusung or Songhwa or Sung or Songhwa or I got Sun the last time in the Outlaw. So let's see who did I get this time. I got Sun sticker and no, I got Mingi again. Oh my god, I keep getting Mingi. Oh, okay. Well, this is nice. Okay, at least I got Songhwa, Jungwoo, and Wooyoung. Okay, postcard. Okay, I'm happy with that. It's okay. Okay, and I had a feeling I was gonna get Wooyoung, I don't know why. But I can't believe I keep getting Mingi. Oh, if anyone wants to trade, please let me know. See, I got Mingi and Sun the last time. Here. So, I keep getting Mingi. I don't know why. Mingi. Okay. Ah, hello. Oh, they look so nice. I really hated Yusung's green hair. I don't know the stylist, what was he thinking? Oh, okay. Intro. Oh. Okay, I think that's much better. Oh, these are the songs, the lyrics. Okay, where's Crazy Form? Okay, intro. The Black Pirates have been long. Oh my god, that's like a novel in there. See? For a moment, the Guardians' attack stopped. When Wooyoung barely managed to look up, he saw people in ridiculous masks. Masks making them impossible to identify. The members don't know whether these people are friends or foes. Oh my god. Eerie. The prisoners rescued from the disposal of the site shuffled into the luggage compartment of a large bus. The masked figure. Whoa, that's some deep stuff. After Ateez and Black Pirates' surprise performance labeled terrorism by the government. Oh, I need to read that. This is so interesting. Oh, okay. This is so nice. Oh, yay. I've got Ateez as well, the card. I got another one the last time with the Outlaw. Oh, Jungwoo. Oh, posters. I love posters. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, Matz coming right here. Go, go, go. Oh, I've got the names. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, Songhwa. Park Songhwa. Never fail to dazzle the Ateez. And Jungwoo looks really nice here. Oh, wow. The outfits are amazing. So creative. They're like generals. Wow. Mingi and you know. Go, go, go. Matz coming right here. Go, go, go. Oh, Yusung. Oh, baby Yusung. Yusung. Our Doberman. Why did they ruin your hair? Why, oh why? Oh, his pretty face. Oh, Sun. I don't like Sun with the red hair either. I think black suits him the best. Oh, our captain. Aye, aye, captain. Captain Wooyoung. Oh, Songhwa. He has that stare. Pretty. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. Insert warning sign here. Right? Yep, definitely. Oops, sorry. Warning sign. Can't you see I'm a warning sign? Yes, you are a warning sign. Songhwa. Yuno's just so cute. I don't think we need to label him with a warning sign. Oh, Yusung. Oh, he's still so pretty, but it's just, it's like Joker hair. Why? Why? Go, go, go. Matz. Oh, God. Okay. Son with the grapes. He doesn't look that bad with the red hair, but I think the black hair suits him best. Mingi looks nice with like different hair colors. Oh, Wooyoung. I like Wooyoung when he has long hair. I don't like the short hair in It's Okay. Sorry, Not Okay video. Oh. He's very sassy. Right? Yeah. Go, go, go. Matz coming right here. Oh, thanks to... Oh, Jong has thanks to from Ateez. Thank you, Atiny. Oh, so cute. Oh, Songhwa. Also with thanking Atiny. I need to translate that. Oh. Yuno is thanking us as well. Oh, so cute. Yusung. Hello, Son. Choi-san. And Mingi. Wooyoung. Jungkook. Gonna play the CD. Okay, there you have it, guys. That was the World EP Fin. Fin is in French, which means final. In English. Sorry, in French. Okay, that was the album unboxing. This is what I got. I keep getting Mingi. Anyone wants to trade with me? If you're a Mingi stan, go for it. I don't mind. And I don't mind. Okay, there it is. All of it. Okay, thank you for watching. Annyeong.